Hey there, today I have this pole saw that was sent over to me from the brand. Let's take a closer look at it and see what I like and a couple things that I think could use a little improvement. So here's an inside look at the box. You're gonna get the chainsaw itself. You're gonna get 2 batteries, which is great because one can be charged while you're using that second one. You're gonna get 2 chains, which is nice. You're gonna already be a chain ahead as well as the chain that is on there, so you get 3 chains here. And finally, we also have the charging cord for the batteries. You're also going to get the bag here that has all the pieces to make it into a pole saw, which is also nice. I do wish that there was a bag that held everything, but at least we have this. One thing that is not in this kit is bar oil, so that will be needed to, of course, keep that chain nice and lubricated. So here's an up close look at the chainsaw itself. It already comes with the first blade ready to go, so we already have that on here. This is where you would take the blade off and put it back on. It's got 2 tightening mechanisms here to make sure everything's where it should be. For running it, it does have to have the button pushed down at the same time as the trigger, so the trigger will not push down unless the button is engaged first. And of course, here's where our oil goes. So for putting the chainsaw together, you can see that I have the bottom portion of the pole as well as the first piece with the grip on it, and one piece connects to the other, so it looks like that. Then you would just repeat the process with the other 2 pieces of the pole. Once the pole portion is together, again, there is a safety button here that will need to be pressed down before the trigger can be pushed. So I found the pole saw pretty easy to use overall. I didn't have any issues with it. It's pretty much ready to go when it comes out of the box. Since bar oil is essential in this, I do wish it came with a small container of oil just to get me started so I wouldn't have to have any on hand. The weight of this is nice. It's not too heavy to use, especially as the chainsaw itself. And while using it on the pole, it really wasn't awkward or anything like that to use. I had an easy time using it, and I like that I can pivot the top as needed. The grip on the handle is nice towards the bottom because I could have one hand on the grip while the other hand was on the trigger using the chainsaw itself. The instruction manual itself was very minimal, so I do wish it would have shown more information on the chainsaw and how to use it. An illustration for how to change the chain would have been great because if you're a novice, you may not know how to do that. The case is great for holding the pole pieces, but it doesn't hold anything else. A larger case would be nice to hold the entire machine and poles. I have a large wooded lot, so for me, something like this is nice for trimming up those low-hanging branches. So for small limbs and branches that are just out of reach, I think this is a really good option. If you're looking for a battery operated pole saw, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.